the City of Toronto has launched a new, alternative approach to support people experiencing a mental health crisis. The Toronto Community Crisis Service is a community-led service that responds to crisis calls made to 211 and 911. The Toronto Community Crisis Service assists people who are in crisis and provides mental health support and care at any hour of the day or night. The Toronto Community Crisis Service is available to individuals 16 years of age or older and is an entirely voluntary service.
The Toronto Community Crisis Service is a new Made in Toronto community-based model that brings mobile teams to people in crisis who call 911 or 211. So when the mobile teams arrive, they work with the person who is experiencing crisis, help to de-escalate, provide immediate supports, and to do follow-ups as required by the client.
The new service operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week in 4 areas of the city. By calling 211, people can access mobile teams of highly trained mental health experts, including social workers, nurses, and other crisis response professionals.
So we're trying to make sure that we are a very community-led initiative. So we're trying to make sure we're coming in trauma-informed, we're coming in from an anti-Black racism perspective, anti-oppressive perspective, so that clients understand that, we're there to get them the best help that we can get.
211 ensures a no wrong door approach into service and support. So if you're calling 211 on behalf of yourself or someone else that has a mental health crisis, we will work with you to figure out the best fit service for your need and for the location that you live in.
After we meet someone in the community, we offer follow-up services. So this could be a phone call from our follow-up team, which includes case managers, where they will have support such as addiction services, nursing care, housing, employment.
We're really aiming to meet folks where they're at. We heard from community in consultation that they really needed a service that was grounded in understanding the historical and social inequalities that our community has faced. Our approach is really to walk alongside individuals, to give them all the resources and the information that they need, and really to allow folks to lead their own care plans.
A really important role that the city is playing in this new service is to ensure that the necessary funding and supports are there so that overall we're reducing mental health crisis in the city.
All of our services are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's really as simple as picking up the phone and calling 211.
The Toronto Community Crisis Service can provide connections and referrals to other services as needed, and will follow up within 48 hours of the initial visit to make sure that clients are getting the support that works for them. To call the Toronto Community Crisis Service Center, dial 211 and get the support you need. To learn more, visit toronto.ca/crisis service.